Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure passive income with Wealthfront, detailed guide step by step clearly. To secure passive income with Wealthfront, begin by creating an account on their website. Visit the Wealthfront homepage and click on the Get Started button. Fill out the required personal information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Once your account is created, you will need to link your bank account for funding. Wealthfront requires a minimum deposit, so ensure you have the necessary funds ready. After linking your bank account, explore the investment options offered by Wealthfront. Select the Automated Investing feature, which utilizes modern portfolio theory. Wealthfront's algorithms will create a diversified portfolio tailored to your risk tolerance. Provide your investment goals, such as saving for retirement or a major purchase. Wealthfront will use this information to adjust your portfolio accordingly. Next, consider setting up recurring deposits to automate your investment contributions. By doing this, you can consistently contribute to your investment account without manual effort. Review the fee structure to understand the costs associated with Wealthfront. Invest in Wealthfront's low-cost index funds, which typically have lower management fees. Monitor your investment performance through the Wealthfront dashboard. Wealthfront automatically rebalances your portfolio to maintain your desired asset allocation. Stay informed about changes in your financial situation or goals. Adjust your investment strategy on Wealthfront as necessary to stay aligned with your objectives. Consider utilizing Wealthfront's financial planning tools for additional guidance. Make use of their tax loss harvesting feature to optimize your returns. This can help you reduce your taxable income and improve your overall investment yield. Patience is key. Passive income takes time to grow. Regularly check your progress but avoid making impulsive changes to your investments. As your portfolio grows, consider reinvesting your earnings to maximize compounding effects. This approach will help you build a robust stream of passive income over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.